Good morning, student. In last lecture, we studied the classification of the organic compounds on the basis of functional group. Today we studied the homologous series. Then what is the homologous series? Series, there is the same type of the series. For example, series of alkanes. Series of alkanes. Then write the first members of this alkane series. The first member of this alkane series is the methane. First member of this alkane series is the methane. We know the series of alkanes. And what is the molecular formula of this methane? The methane having N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. This N is the number of carbon atoms present in a molecule. Number of carbon atoms present in a molecule. N is equal to 1. Then what is the molecular formula of this methane? Is the CH4. We can calculate this molecular formula according to their general formula. We know the general formula of alkane. What is the general formula? CnH2n plus 2. We know that. What is the general formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. Then if N is equal to 1, then the molecular formula of methane is the CH4. Then second member of this series is ethane. The second member of this series is ethane, where N is equal to 2. Then molecular formula is the C2H6. Molecular formula is the C2H6. The third member of this series is the propane. Third member is the propane. N is equal to 3. And molecular formula is the C3H8. Molecular formula of this propane is the C3H8. Next member, means fourth member of alkane series is the butane. Here N is equal to 4. Then molecular formula is the C4H10. Write the molecular formula according to their general formula, where only you add the value of this small n. The small n is the number of carbon atoms present in that molecule. Then fifth member of this alkane series is the pentane. Fifth member is the pentane, where N is equal to 4. Then what is the molecular formula? C4H12. C4H12. This is the series of alkane we studied. Then what is the homologous series? What is the homologous series? In homologous series, the type of these members are same. Type of these members are same. That means this is the alkane type. These members having the same carbon skeleton. These members having the same carbon skeleton. That means the having same general formula. Carbon skeleton is the same. That means same general formula. Also these members have the same functional group. This series, the members of this type of family have the same functional group. And these members are differ by, see the difference between these two molecular formulas, the methane and ethane. What is the difference? The carbon number, here carbon atoms are 1, here carbon atoms are 2. That means it increased by 1 carbon atom. The next member is increased by 1 carbon atom. Then hydrogen atoms, there are the 4 hydrogen atoms, these are the 6. That means this second member is increased by hydrogen atoms 2. Second member increased by hydrogen atoms by 2. That means this group dash CH2 group. The next member is differ by this CH2 group, which is called as the methylene group. The name of this group is the methylene group. The successive members in the homologous series differ by methylene group. Then what is the methylene group? CH2 group. Now see this. The next member is ethane and propane is also having the difference of CH2 group. These two members are also having the same difference, which is equal to the methylene group. Also these two members also having the difference of CH2 group, methylene group. In each member, successive members differ by CH2 group. It is a homologous series. Now, what is the definition of homologous series? The definition is the member of same type of family having same carbon skeleton and same functional group, and each member is differ by CH2, that means methylene group, in its molecular and structural formula, and is called as the homologous series. ज्या homologous series एकाच टाइप मध्ये having same carbon skeleton, same functional groups, only each member, successive members differ by the CH2 groups in their molecular and structural formulae are called as the homologous series. Understand? Now see the another example of this series. Another example. The type of the family is alcohol. Type of the family is alcohol. We studied the functional groups. See the type of family is the alcohols. The what is the general formula of alcohol? CnH2n plus 1. One hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by OH group called as the alcohols. One hydrogen atom replaced from alkanes by OH group. The general formula of alkanes are CnH2n plus 2. From this plus 2, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH. It is the general formula of alcohol. Then write the homologous series. What is homologous? The first member is the methanol. First member is the methanol, where N is equal to 1. Then molecular formula is the CH3OH. Molecular formula is the CH3OH. CnH2n plus 1 OH. One hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by OH group. Second member is the ethanol. Second member of alcohol is the ethanol, where N is equal to 2. And molecular formula is the C2H5OH. C2H5OH. Third member is the propanol. N is equal to 3C3H7OH. The fourth member is the butanol, where N is equal to 4C4H. What is in this way? Cn double plus 1. 4, 8 and 1, 9. In this way, we write the molecular formula of next members. And this is the series of alcohol family: methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. These members have the same carbon skeleton. These members have the same carbon skeleton ROH. Carbon skeleton R means the alkyl groups, and OH is the functional group of alcohol. Same carbon skeleton ROH, having the same functional group. The functional group of this series is the OH. Each member having the OH functional group. It satisfies the all properties of this homologous series. Homologous series having the same family, having same carbon skeleton, having same functional group. Then each member is differ by methylene group. See here, this increased by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms. Each members have the differ CH2 groups, that means methylene group. Each member differed by the CH2 group, methylene group, and this type of series are called as the homologous series. In this way we can write the, for your practice, the series of aldehydes, series of ketones we can write. Now see what are the properties of this homologous series. Properties of this homologous series. We studied that these members have the same general formula. All the members of this homologous series shows the same general formula. All these members prepared by the same preparation methods. They have the same preparation methods. All members have the same preparation methods. These all members shows the same chemical properties. All members of homologous series shows the same chemical properties, and each member of this homologous series is called as the homology. Each member is called as the homology. Then each member shows the same chemical properties. Only these members shows the gradual difference in their physical properties. Gradual difference in their physical properties. Physical properties, which are the melting point, boiling point, density, specific gravity, refractive index. These properties are different, but there is the gradually difference. Why this member shows the gradual difference? Because they differ by same methylene group, same group. They differ by same group. They differ in their molecular weight by 14. Each member is differ by the molecular weight by 14. There is the regular difference. That's why they shows the gradual difference in their physical properties. These are the properties of the homologous series. कोणत्या properties बघा? These members shows the same general formula, same functional group. All members have the same chemical properties. All members of this series prepared by the same chemical methods. And these members gradually differ in their physical properties. These are the properties of this homologous series. In your exam, the questions asked as what is a homologous series? Explain it with the example. Then we write the first definition of homologous series and then write the one example in this way. They are differ by the CH2 group or methylene group. In this way, we understand this homologous series and write your for practice another homologous series. Then we studied the next point. I write here the one example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, then CH3, CH3, CH3. I write this example. In this example, we studied the type of carbon atoms. We studied the type of carbon atoms. Then this carbon atom, last or first. These carbon atoms are called as the terminal carbon atom. म्हणजे शेवटचे कार्बन atoms जे आहेत त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? टर्मिनल कार्बन atoms. This one is the terminal carbon atom. Then this is the terminal. This is the terminal. This carbon atom is also terminal carbon atom. This carbon atom is also terminal carbon atom. Then the carbon atom, terminal carbon atoms attached to the one carbon atom. This terminal carbon atom is attached to the one carbon atom, and that's why the type of this carbon atom is the primary carbon atom. Type of this carbon atom is the primary carbon atom. It is denoted by small p, or it write as in this way. First degree. The carbon atom which is bonded with one carbon atom. The carbon atom which is bonded with one carbon atom called as the primary carbon atom. That's why this carbon atom becomes a primary. The type of this carbon atom is the primary carbon atom. Now this is the next carbon atom. This carbon atom is attached to, bonded with this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Two carbon atoms. The carbon atom is bonded with another different two carbon atoms. That's why the type of this carbon atom is secondary carbon atom. The second type is the secondary carbon atom, which is denoted as small s or second degree. Then what is the secondary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is bonded with two carbon atoms are called as the secondary carbon atoms, or called as the secondary carbon atom. The next, this carbon atom is also bonded with these two carbon atoms. This carbon does not bonded with this carbon atom. It bonded with only two carbon atoms, adjacent carbon atoms. Adjacent means शेजारचे. The carbon atom is bonded with these two carbon atoms. That's why type of this carbon atom is the secondary carbon atom. Type of this carbon atom is the secondary carbon atom. Now see the next carbon atom. This carbon atom is bonded with 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3. That's why the type of this carbon atom is the tertiary carbon atom, denoted by small t. Third type is the tertiary carbon atom, denoted by small t or 3 degree. Tertiary carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom bonded with the 3 carbon atoms. Then next carbon atom. This carbon atom is attached to the 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon atom is bonded with 1, 2, 3, 4 different carbon atoms. The carbon atom is bonded with 4 different carbon atoms. This carbon atom is called as the quaternary carbon atom. Called as the quaternary carbon atom, which is denoted by small q, which is denoted by small q or 4 degree. In this way, there are the 4 types of carbon atoms: primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom and quaternary carbon atom. या पद्धतीने आपण कार्बन ॲटमचे टाइप ओळखू शकतो. The primary carbon atom attached to the one carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom attached to the 2 carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom which is bonded with 3 carbon atoms. And quaternary carbon atom is the carbon atom which is bonded with 4 carbon atoms are known as the quaternary carbon atoms. Then how to find out the primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary hydrogen atoms? Then hydrogen atoms. The hydrogen atoms which are attached to the primary carbon atoms are called as the primary hydrogen atoms. The hydrogen atoms which are bonded with primary carbon atom called as the primary hydrogen atoms. And the hydrogen atoms which are attached to the secondary carbon atom called as the secondary hydrogen atoms. Also hydrogen atom which is attached to the tertiary carbon atom called as the tertiary hydrogen atoms, and there is the no quaternary hydrogen atoms because carbon atom having only 4 valencies, and in quaternary carbon atom which is attached or bonded with the 4 carbon atom, that's why quaternary hydrogen atom does not obtain. This carbon atom satisfies its 4 valency with the 4 carbon atoms, quaternary carbon atom. In this way we can find the primary, secondary, tertiary carbon atom, quaternary carbon atom, as well as we find out the primary, secondary, tertiary hydrogen atoms. In your exam there is the one example, and we can find out how many primary hydrogen atoms are present, how many secondary hydrogen atoms are present, tertiary hydrogen atoms, also how many primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon atoms are present in that example. Now solve these types of hydrogen atoms in this example. Then how many hydrogen atoms, primary hydrogen atoms. Now first find out the type of the primary carbon atoms. These are the primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Then this carbon atom which is attached to the one carbon atom, it is the primary carbon atom. This carbon is also attached to the one carbon atom, it is also primary carbon atom. This carbon is bonded with the one carbon atom, it is the primary carbon atom. This carbon atom also bonded with the one carbon atom, it is also primary carbon atom. Then find out how many primary hydrogen atoms in that example. First we know the primary carbon atom. How many primary carbon atoms are there? 4 primary carbon atoms, and which is attached to the 3 hydrogen atom. Then how many primary hydrogen atoms? 6 and 6. The primary hydrogen atoms are 12. Primary hydrogen atoms are 12. 3 and 3. How many? 15. Primary hydrogen atoms are 15. It is only 15. किती ग्रुप आहेत? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 काय आहेत? प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम आहेत आणि त्याला प्रत्येकाला किती हायड्रोजन ॲटम आहेत? 3 आहेत. म्हणजे प्रायमरी हायड्रोजन ॲटम किती झाले? 15. नाउ देन सेकंडरी. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द सेकंडरी कार्बन ॲटम and then find out how many hydrogen atoms are attached to the secondary carbon atom. In this example there are the 2 secondary carbon atoms and each carbon atom having the 2 hydrogen atoms. This also having the 2 hydrogen atoms. That's why secondary hydrogen atoms equal to the 4. Then tertiary hydrogen atoms. There is only one tertiary carbon atom and it attached to the one hydrogen atom. Then tertiary hydrogen atom is equal to 1. Then how many primary carbon atoms? Primary carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Secondary carbon atoms in this examples are 1 and 2. Tertiary carbon atom is the 1 and quaternary carbon atom is the 1. In this way we can find out how many carbon atoms, primary carbon atoms, secondary, tertiary, quaternary and also hydrogen atoms. Understand? Okay? Thank you.